Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also in this video I'm gonna unbox and review a products. So guys, this package is from Takealot.com. And yeah guys, if you don't know, Takealot e-commerce service is available only in South Africa. So guys, I bought some few products from Takealot.com. Here is the first package. So let me remove this first. So guys, the very first product is this pitted dates, which is of 1 kg, and I got this for 125 rand. And here is the product. Since dates are got over in my home, just thought to buy this. So this is the very first one, and coming to the next product. So let me unbox this too. So guys, the next product is this almonds. So this is of 1 kg and I got this for rand 199. The next product is this omega raw cashews. This is of 250 gram and I got this for 99 rands. Okay guys, the next product is so here is the promotion from the Mr. D Food. So this is the next product. The product is from Bathlux bathroom single shelf with suction cup, and this is an soap holder. I got this for 138 rands. And it is wide enough, I guess. You can keep the soap and shampoos, etc. I just want to insert it and I just want to see. So this product can carry about 4 kgs. So guys, coming to the next product. The product is from Jungle Muesli Granula. So since this is also got over, I bought this. This is of 400 gram. And I got this for 42 rands. So coming to the next product. And here is also there is a promotion from KFC. So this is also pitted dates guys, but this is of different brand. And I got this for rands of 127. I just want to try two different brands. I tried different brands of dates in Takealot itself. So this is also two different brands. And here is the package. As I said you before, I got this for 127 rands. So coming to the next product. This is the last box. Let me unbox this. Okay guys, here I'll get many products in it. So the very first one is this duck cleaner. So I got this for 35 rands. And the next product is this Dettol value pack. For each of 175 grams, I got this for 59 rands. And next product is also the Dettol fresh. I got this for 15 rands. And next product is this Essence Hydra matte lipstick, two of different shades, each of 60 rands. And next is this Gosha and Jade roller. This is 4-in-1 tool. I got this for 1 or 2 rands. So let me show you the shade. So it is of dark pinkish in color. And next one is skin color. And yeah guys, if you wish to buy these products, the product links will be on my description. For more videos, do subscribe and thank you.